Are you tired of tossing and turning all night, struggling to fall asleep? Lack of quality sleep can significantly impact your mental and physical well-being, leaving you feeling groggy and unproductive throughout the day. In this video, I will share some tips and tricks to help you get a good night's sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Sleep is a vital component of a healthy lifestyle. Not only does it help our bodies restore and repair, but it also plays a crucial role in our mental and emotional wellness. Lack of sleep can lead to a host of issues, including mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and depression. It's essential to prioritize sleep and establish healthy habits to get the rest you need. Create a sleep-conducive environment. One of the most important factors in quality sleep is creating a sleep-conducive environment. Your bedroom should be cool, quiet, and dark to promote relaxation and reduce disruptions. You can incorporate relaxing scents and sounds like lavender and white noise to help you fall asleep quickly. Avoid stimulants. Consuming stimulants such as caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol before bedtime can affect the quality and quantity of your sleep. It's essential to avoid these substances at least 4 to 6 hours before going to bed. Alternatively, opt for calming drinks like chamomile tea to promote relaxation. Establish a bedtime routine. Establishing a bedtime routine can help your body get into a regular sleep pattern. Take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music before bed to signal your body that it's time to sleep. Turn off electronic devices. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can disrupt your natural sleep-wake cycle. Turn off all electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. If you need to use your phone at night, use a blue light filter to reduce the impact. Are you ready to prioritize your sleep and establish a healthy bedtime routine? With these small changes, you can make a big impact on your mental and physical well-being. Sweet dreams.